All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really cool. I've got here the Tongmu Mahjong tile in titanium here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? I mean, this is a fantastic piece, a really cool presentation box, nice feel. There's some beautiful texturing going on to the side. This is padded and embroidered and covered. I mean, really cool presentation for sure. There is even like a little coin on the inside. I don't know what it says. Maybe you can help me, guys, in the comment down below. Let me know if you know what's written on it. But here you have this fantastic, gorgeous, amazing, astounding piece. Mahjong tile, Tongmu designed and produced. This is a slider. It's a one-off, I believe. I'm not sure who's the artist that engraved this one. I wasn't able to track this guy down, but I'm telling you, he just did a fantastic job, guys. Look at the transition between the pieces, and look at this guy. I mean, from this side, it's a beautiful knight on a horse. And the detail is just amazing. Fantastic. So what is this? Let's just check quickly the size on this guy, because this is going to be, you see, 1.26 inches in that dimension. The long side is going to be 1.65 with an overall width of 0.68 inches. So very interesting little size. The weight on this guy, let's see, because there's some heft to it. It's not super heavy, but look at this. It's going to be 3.4 ounces, so not super light. And just to give you a further perspective, for example, this guy is Amburi full-size coin, and this is also Amburi, but the medium-size coin. Let me show you another options over here. This is the Lautier pair of kings shuffle. Here you've got your Maki capsule in Zirk slider. Here's another Mahjong tile, also by Tongmu, same thing but just in Zirk. And Compoform Gravitsapa right over here, and this is the Black Mirror dial. What else can I show you guys? Lauti Sam, that's in Zirk. This is another Zirk EDC Lung bulletproof shield. We've got a chess pawn also from Lauti right over here. What else? Lauti dice, and yeah, that's it. I guess you get the idea of the size compared to some pretty popular fidget toys. But what is this? Guys, this is a slider. Very simple operation. So it just slides up and down, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states available, and you can just detach it and appreciate the inside. So basically there's two protruding parts which are gonna go inside these couple tracks, and that's gonna that is, you know, going to keep the toy together. So that's really cool, and it slides nicely, and you have like a set of roller bearings right over here to ensure that this is sliding in a cool way. Very pleasant. You have 10 and 10, 20 neodymium magnets, which are pretty powerful, and they're all helping like keep together the thing. And you also have this little notch over here on the back, and you can also detach the back, and you can exchange it with some other materials, for example. And but in this case you don't want to do it because it's so gorgeously matching and done that that's the point. I mean, why you want to do that? So this is really gorgeously looking. Come on, guys, this is just insane. It's nuts. It's fantastically done. I love that all these scrolls going on, the night theme. It's beautiful. And the feel in the hand is very good, because the weight is not too much. I like to carry this guy like in a little pouch, something like this, in the pocket, not to scratch it, and then just to play with this guy just like that. So you can be loud like that. You see, you can just have it snap in place and be kind of loud, or you can just be like soft and not that obtrusive. So you have the option of choosing between these two sounds, but the same, you're gonna receive the same haptic feedback in the hand. You don't have to squeeze that much. Just be gentle and just, this guy's gonna slide like that, and it's just really, really pleasant. So I mean, there's nothing spinning, nothing clicking. It's just a slider. So it just clicks in place, yeah, and it produces a loud sound if you want, or you can just do like that, like less obtrusive sound, but in any ways it's going to be a really, really cool sound. So it feels good in the hand, it looks amazing, it sounds awesome, it's well done, it's one-off, it's unique, it's rare, it's expensive, because these guys are gonna run you like at least $250, so not cheap by any means, but it's just a gorgeous and unique piece. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.